Man, I can't make this stuff up. There are people out there who just do not think before they do stuff. What's up? It's your boy, the Dashing Trader, and we back for another one. Today we got a very important topic to talk about: the Doordash glitch. Doordash, there was a glitch in the system, and thousands of their customers were able to order food for free.
So this was a DoorDash deal too good to be true. Last Thursday, a glitch allowed thousands of DoorDash customers to make lavish orders they didn't have to pay for.
How'd I miss that?
Right, same here. Some ordered thousands of dollars of top shelf tequila. Others received a lifetime supply of Plan B contraception. The food delivery service is working to make sure merchants are paid for the unauthorized orders.
I mean, it just goes to show you how fucked up some people in society is, because to think that you finna just get over on the big corporations, like, yeah, I get it, like, come on, like, you know, let's stick it to the man, but at the end of the day, like, they gonna catch you, man. Why is you doing that? So you got all these people now, they negative in their bank account, they looking stupid, they crying, they wanna set up GoFundMe's and cash out. Why did you do that? It was just dumb. And then they didn't even tip on the orders. So now you know what, thousands of dollars of food and you ain't even leave a tip. You know, and the reality is, the sad part, you got people that'll sit there and put themselves in, you know, $3,000, $4,000, $10,000, $16,000 worth of debt over nothing, over DoorDash, over, you know, some free bottles and contraceptives, and, you know, it's ridiculous. It honestly really is. Like, how the fuck do you put yourself in $17,000 worth of debt? Like, you thought it was gonna be no type of punishment or repercussions for you doing this and ordering all this food? You thought you just gonna get away with it? Like, oh, they got it, the big corporations, they got it. Like, I'm broke, I ain't gotta worry about it, so they'll cover it, or my bank can cover it. Like, no. Why would you do that? That don't make no sense. You know, at the end of the day, you reap what you sow. That said, we're gonna end it there. This is just an update for you guys who didn't know, and I'm gonna end it with that.